Oh, whiskey, you villain, you've been my downfall. You've kicked me and you cussed me, but I love you for all. If the ocean was whiskey and I was a duck, I'd dive to the bottom and drown to get drunk. I'll eat when I'm hungry, I'll drink when I'm dry. If the hard times don't kill me, I'll lay down and die. Maybe today's a bad day to go to work in a brewery. Grab some gas real quick. Give me my foot. You lean forward a little bit. Why don't you slide up into my seat? Okay. Pew pew. You want to take back roads or you want to take highway?
Whatever you want.
Go to the highway. I got some miles.
Yeah. See how many you have to get?
What's up, tribe? It's a beautiful Sunday today. Heading out today. My agreement with Indy Ridge is to do 500 miles a month. With work usually gives me about 200 miles a month, but since there was a snowstorm and I was still getting over COVID, I have only put down 250 miles this month yet. So I'm gonna get another 250 between today and tomorrow because I can. So anyway, we're gonna put down probably 200 miles today, and then I'll be able to put the next 50 on tomorrow, running around to work and back, taking the long way home. No worries, mates. So right now we're at 1.7 miles. I only need 248.3 for the rest of the day. That's ugly as shit. But hey, if it makes him happy, right? So let's go south. It is a gorgeous day. 60 degrees is that day that if you've got the right gear on, and I'm talking boots, some wind resistant pants, a jacket with a flannel under it, you can ride all day. And gloves. This is definitely not I'm gonna get out and ride with no gloves on weather. Not today. The fuck was that? Because I don't really need but one pair of pants, 2 t-shirts, and underwear and socks. And then the back, well, imagine we can wash clothes in a hotel or something. I mean, well, I'll bring the riding jeans and a running around pair of jeans. And literally jeans, you could just wash them in a sink somewhere and dry them up. And then the back though will be for gear. The coffee cup, rain gear, coffee pot. We can drink straight from the coffee pot. Well, we can stay in a tent that night. Obviously, like Thursday night, we're gonna stay in a hotel. Friday, we'll probably stay out at the campground. Saturday, we'll be at the campground, and then Saturday night, after everything peters down, we can go to a hotel again, and then stay in a hotel Sunday. Or we could do Friday. Friday, we can stay in a hotel also, and then tent it Saturday and Sunday, and then Monday stay in a hotel and drive back halfway Monday, halfway Tuesday. But we can go to a truck stop and get showers. I mean, but I've showered at truck stops before when I was on the road with Action. They've been blasting here. I can smell it. Smell the dynamite. These grips are nice and toasty. Sometimes you just got to get out. Get away from the TV and the Xbox and the computer and the house and the dog. And just ride. Get out on the road, take a trip, and go nowhere. Just ride. If you get somewhere and at the end there's ice cream, or there's a beer, or pie, or dinner, or just somebody you want to have coffee with, and then turn around and come back. Not too hot, not too cold. Just a perfect day. Waving at people. We got passed by the shittiest little ragtag bunch of motorcycles earlier. It was a club with a prospect, and it was the most awesome thing. Guys with their wives or significants, whatever you want to call them, just out having fun. Now I will be taking trips next month, the end of this month. I'll be going to Barber. The end of March, I'll be heading down to Florida, going to Tampa for the Forgotten Angels camp out. And those are definitely destination trips. But it doesn't have to be a destination trip. Just get out and ride. And have a ball. I sure hope my microphone's working. That was some somber shit, man. Alright, guys. Well, let's see some more stuff. Might be time to put some more oil on these boots. Maybe pick up a bike off the asphalt. Where's your 360?
The battery's dead.
I thought you had like 30 minutes on it.
There's 30 minutes on the car.
Oh. Good God, now I know what shade tree feels like. Oh, vroom vroom, motherfucker. Whoosh. There's some wind. Look at all that sun. Jeez, where was this 2 weeks ago? Wasn't here. Gotta turn my... Gotta flip down my sun visor. That'd be kind of sucky if I'd forgotten to take the label off my sun visor. All I would see is removed before use. As soon as that sun goes down, it's gonna get cold. Oh, I love the sound of this bike. Oh, sexy. Zoom, zoom, motherfucker. On our way back. There's some hawks up in the trees. Alright, battery died. It's on the way back, so we'll just got to do a quick one and close out with this one. So that's it for now. I guess I got to get this video put together where I can get it out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, hit the bell, and come back. Share with your friends if your friends like motorcycles and getting out and seeing things, then share with them too. Next time.
See ya.